And this is part of the 90210 Beverly Hills collection. And it says Brenda, Dylan, Kelly lip cream. And I have to say, I don't really know what they're talking about. I never really watched 90210. I'm sure it's a show that I would have loved though. But I got this in the shade Dylan Loves Kelly. And when I was looking this up on the website, it comes in 3 different shades and they all have names related to the show. But it retails for $14, and I love that it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, peanut-free, FDA compliant, and it looks like such a beautiful color. And I like the packaging on it. I really like the square packaging for some reason. Ooh, and I like this type of applicator. It's actually kind of at an angle, but it's open in the middle so it holds more product and it kind of comes to a point. And I'm so excited to put this on now. Oh my gosh, this is so unlike me. I was so excited to put it on. I forgot to even swatch it, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it is so pigmented. That one swipe on my lips put so much product on my lips, such opaque color. So I'm going to keep going. Oh, this is beautiful. And seriously, so pigmented. You just need one thin layer. It kind of reminds me of like paint. And it's very like thin, liquidy. When they describe it as a lip cream, I just kind of think of it as being a little bit thicker than it actually is. But I don't mind. I really like this. And I really like this red color. It's a very flattering, wearable red shade. And the formula looks so good. Like I have dry lips and I was a little bit worried that this would be very drying and uneven or cling to the chapped areas on my lips. But no, it looks so smooth. It has a matte finish, but not at all a dry matte. It's almost like a creamy matte finish. So maybe that's where the lip cream comes in. It's got like a cream finish to it, which is so beautiful. It's not sticky at all. I could feel it drying down, so I'm really curious to see if there's any transfer. I love to see that. No transfer. And I'm actually surprised that there's no transfer because it is such a comfortable, creamy, non-drying formula. I love this. I can't stop looking at it on my lips. It looks like I put on from a stick, just like a regular cream lipstick. That's how smooth, even, hydrated it looks on my lips. Like, I am shocked right now. I don't have smooth, hydrated lips, but this makes my lips look like they are that way. And then the fact that there's no transfer. So this is going to be long lasting. It's not gonna smudge. It's not gonna come off on my masks. Like, this is perfect. The perfect formula, the perfect color. I was listening to a podcast and they said that wearing a red lip just gives off the vibe, basically. Like, it gives off this aura to the people around you that like you're more confident and like more approachable, more powerful. Just like, it gives off really good vibes. And I was like, oh, I love that. And I love wearing a red lip, but I honestly don't wear it out that often just because it's such a pain to touch up if like I'm eating or drinking and it obviously fades and obviously smudges or comes off. But this right here, you don't have to worry about that at all. So this is your Power Red Lip. So you don't even have to worry about it smudging. But what I'm also loving is that you don't have to like wear any certain makeup with it. Like, I have a very minimal makeup look on right now. I don't have eyeshadow, but this red lip, like, it's bold, but it's not too intense that you can't wear it with natural makeup, if that makes sense. So I love this. I am going to be reaching for this all of the time. I'm actually finally going to wear red lipstick out. I mean, not like anyone can really see it because I am wearing a mask when I'm out. But you know, when that day comes, or if I'm out to dinner or something, I want to wear this and just feel so great in it. So if you're looking for that perfect red lip, I highly recommend this. Oh my gosh, now I am so excited about this brand. I keep like forgetting what it is. It's called Sola Look. So if you've tried any other products from this brand or have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below because I am very excited to try out more products from this brand. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.